Ndewo. No. Afam bụ Nwaada Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Na nkuzi nke taa, anyị ga-amụ nkewa abịdị Igbo. Hello. Welcome to Igbotutorials with Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the categories of the Igbo alphabet. Are you ready? Let's begin. The Igbo alphabet has 36 letters, which are divided into 8 vowels, Udaume, 19 consonants, Mbochume, and 9 digraphs, Udambe. Igbo vowels. There are 8 vowels in the Igbo alphabet. They are A, E, I, E, O, U, O. These vowels are divided into 2, the A and the R groups. The A groups has the undotted IOU and can be called the heavy sounds, Udaro, while the R groups has the dotted IOU and can be called the light sounds, Udamfe. In the alphabets, we have some letters appearing as 2 letters but are pronounced as 1 letter. They are called diphthongs. They are Chi, She, We, He, Gui, We, We, and Ni. In Igbo language, consonants are called Mbochiume. Every other alphabet that is not a vowel or diphthong is a consonant. For pronunciation, refer to my video on Igbo alphabets in the description box below. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. Thank you for listening. Remember, the fastest way to differentiate between these categories is to listen, repeat, and practice. I am still Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Till next time, Ko Mesia.